Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the 5 reasons to buy the Infinix Hot S3. First reason would be its 20 megapixel selfie camera with dual LED flash. Unlike any other phone in its price segment, this phone comes with a 20 megapixel front facing camera with Sony IMX376 sensor along with a dedicated dual LED flash. This phone definitely takes some great selfies in well lit conditions and even in low light conditions. In low light, it merges data from 4 pixels into 1 pixel to make the image more sharper and to reduce noise. On the whole, you definitely get better selfies on this phone. Next reason to buy this phone would be the portrait selfies or bokeh effect like what Infinix calls it. Along with taking some pretty good selfies, you also get the option to take portrait selfies, which adds a nice blur effect to the background. As of now, edge detection isn't perfect. It misses a few times, but you can only notice it if you zoom in. Otherwise, it's pretty good. These are the sample pictures. Next reason to buy this phone would be the display. This phone comes with a 5.65-inch display with HD+ resolution with 81% screen to body ratio in 18:9 aspect ratio. So even though it has a bigger screen, it fits comfortably in your hand, and for someone with huge hands like myself, can use this phone single-handedly without any problem. Sunlight legibility is good and viewing angles are great. So if you want a full view display with a great front-facing camera, this is a great combination. Next reason to buy this phone would be the battery life. This phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery and that alone is a very good start. Bigger battery always means better battery life. Along with that, Infinix also offers us a lot of software features like the background app management and ultra power saving mode to further improve the battery life. So on the whole, you get better battery life on this phone and definitely better than Redmi Y1, which comes with just a 3000 mAh battery. Now the final reason to buy this phone would be the dedicated SD card slot. This phone starts at 9,000 rupees, which comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, and also comes with a dedicated SD card slot. 3GB of RAM is sufficient for a very smooth operation of the phone, and you can use the dedicated SD card slot to expand storage. So a dedicated SD card slot is something we really need in this price segment, and this phone comes with it. Now those were the top 5 reasons to buy this phone. Besides that, we have some other good things, like this phone is running a custom version of Android called XOS version 3 based on Android 8.0 Oreo. That's the latest version of Android currently out there, and it comes with a lot of cool software features like 3-finger screenshot, screen gestures, themes, and lot more cool stuff. It also comes with a fingerprint scanner, which is decently fast and also has all the basic sensors like proximity, ambient, including gyroscope, compass, LED notification light, and also supports USB OTG. So on the whole, this phone is a complete package with a bigger display, smaller bezels, a really good front-facing camera with a bigger battery, and a lot of good software features. So guys, those were the reasons to buy this phone. So what's your reason to buy this phone or not buy this phone? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you are planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.